Hey everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the basics inside our Cheetah funnel builder. That's right, we'll be taking a look at the different pages, blueprints, and other cool bells and whistles to help you get started in creating your next funnel at the touch of a button. So let's get started. So here we are on the Cheetah funnel builder dashboard. And if you're new to building funnels using the Cheetah builder, expect to see this when you arrive. Now to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to create a brand new funnel. And I am just going to title this First Funnel. And to simply get started, I'm just going to select Blank Theme Funnel. But you can actually go through and you can see there are different themes for you to choose from. So let's go ahead and select Blank Theme Funnel. We're going to create funnel. And here we go. So to start creating a funnel, you're going to be greeted by this pop-up right here that's going to take you through each one of the steps that's going to introduce you on how to use the different tools inside the Cheetah Funnel Builder. And we are going to click on Start the Funnel. Now here's where you're going to have individual pages that can make up your funnel. But what I want to do is just kind of give you a glance at the different lead capture pages that you'll find. And if I click on Sales Process, it's going to give you different pages for your sales process. So as you want to add these to your specific funnel, just go ahead and hover your mouse over the specific page and then click on the blue plus sign. In addition to pages up at the very top, you also have blueprints. So let's go ahead and select blueprints. Now these are preset funnels that have already been created and need very little adjusting or editing. So if you're looking to have something more concrete and more of a blueprint laid out for you, you can simply just pick one of these and you can pick from lead capture, sales process, webinar process, membership, info products, and other pages. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and click on lead capture, and I'm going to select the very top one right here by clicking the plus sign. But before we do that, I also want to show you the images that you can also use. So as you're creating your own customized funnels, you can actually use these images to help explain or help to remember how you've built your funnel, or help to explain to your client your funnel process. Okay, so you can use a lot of these preset icons, and in addition to that, you can also use your own. So if you have your own customized icons, you can actually upload them and use them here. So these are user images as well, for traffic, social media, and then different like call to actions. So let's go back into the blueprint, and let me go up here to lead capture. So here I've dragged in the blueprint of the lead capture page. And again, now that we have something on here in my workspace, I can increase or decrease this area. Why this would become helpful is depending on how big your funnel becomes, right? You're going to want to be able to see it in its entirety. So here, if I click on this here, it's going to bring it right up to its biggest or largest format where everything is shown. Okay. And then here again, if I select the lock page, I can't do anything here. It prevents me from accidentally making any adjustments. So when I want to add or remove anything, I would have to unlock this, and then I'm able to click anywhere. All right, so let's give us a little bit of space here. And so what I want to do is I want to make sure that once you start creating the blueprint, or once the blueprint is created, what you can do is you can edit each individual page, which is what you're going to want to make sure you do. Okay, so for example, the squeeze page, if I click on the squeeze page and I right click, here's everything that relates to this specific squeeze page. So you can retitle the squeeze page. You can make it your home page. You can also preview the theme. So let's go ahead and have a look at the theme here. A new window is going to open up. So this is what the squeeze page will look like. So once you've set kind of that blueprint, you decide on the blueprint and you create your actual web page, you can go in there and make adjustments. So you can also add an exit pop-up. You can also work with split testing. And here is where you can also include tags for each specific page. Now, if you want to choose another page, you can go ahead and click here. From the drop-down menu, and select templates that you find inside Cheetah, which is really, really super cool. And if you know the ID number, just key in the ID number that you maybe like to work with most, and it'll take you right to it. In addition, you can choose from preset or made pages that you currently have inside Cheetah that you've created. So I'm going to go ahead and close this right here. And the next thing I want to take you to is form. Now, there's a little kind of a hazard icon right here, kind of just reminding you this is an important key function or a step that you need to take care of before actually creating your actual funnel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select it. Again, I'm going to right click, and here I can go in and change the name of my form as well as create a list or load a list. Let me go ahead and click here. So now I can actually go in here and choose a specific mailing list that will fit perfectly with my exact funnel. Okay, so next we have URLs, and here is where it's asking where your pending registration will be located, right? So for this example, when you click on the drop down, you're going to have these pages right here show up. So what we want to do is select confirm email page. Sign up confirmation. Where do you want them to go once they sign up and they've confirmed? What you're going to want to do here is maybe take them to the thank you page. Okay, now you have the sign up confirmation. So once they've signed up and they've gone to their email and they validated, what you may want to do is take them strictly to the thank you page. And then the unsubscribe link. And next you have campaigns. So you can actually create a brand new email campaign where it will mail out a series of sequences. All right, next we have our confirm email page, and this is going to work just like your squeeze page. So when you right click here, you're just going to want to make sure that it's titled correctly. If you want to take a look at a preview, again, it will show you the current preview of what you can expect. And then you can also go through here and include pop-ups, split test, as well as tags. Now it's really important to go through each one of these pages and make sure everything is filled out correctly. And then lastly, if you want to include something else or another page, so from here, we're going to click on the plus sign. Now from here, we can go in and add a single page, or you can actually add an additional funnel, right? So once they get to a specific point, who says you can't add another funnel and have them continue on from there? So let's go to pages, and I'm going to click on other pages. And here, just for the sake of this example here, I'm going to go ahead and click on share page. So now that that page has been added to my funnel here, it's not connected yet. So in order to connect it, all you have to do is decide where this page is going to lay out in your sequence, right? And to add it, all you have to do is take one of these circles here, left click on your mouse right inside that circle to this little blue line comes up, and then just simply drag it over to this circle here, and then release your left button of your mouse. And there you go. Now you're all set. So same thing, you want to right click and make sure you follow these steps and everything is set up correctly. Now from here, what we could do is we can go ahead and link this specific funnel that we've created to an existing website. And to do that, all you have to do is just click up here. From the drop-down menu, select a current website and or funnel. Now, since this is brand new and we want it to show up like a brand new funnel, and it's going to just generate and create its own website inside Cheetah as a funnel, now we're ready to go ahead and just click on save and generate site. There you go. And these are the pages that make up your existing funnel. Now from here, what I want to do is I want to go back to the Cheetah Funnel Builder. All right, so once you've created your funnel and you've generated the new site, you're going to notice a few different icons show up here at the very top. So let me go through them really briefly. So here you can actually show data of access within the last 90 days to your specific funnel. And then here you can break down that data by specific area. And here you can continue to explore the data. So let's click on this one here. This one's going to break it down by users, total sales, profits, return on investment, the cost, and you can scroll down and get additional information. So based off of, again, how you create your funnel. Now here you have basic functionality, like you can go straight to your site. So let's go have a look and click on there. And that's going to take you specifically straight to your funnel. So now this one right here is really cool because let's say, for example, I wanted to add another page to this specific funnel. And I went in to, let's say, for example, another thank you page. And let's go ahead and add offer wall. Let me click on this again. And that's going to size it so that I'm able to see everything. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drag this to here. So now what I could do is I can click on sync website. And if you click on these drop downs, you'll see the added changes right here. And you can click add right there. Now what we could do is we can go back to our website. It's going to refresh with the added page. And those are the basic fundamentals inside the Builderall Cheetah Funnel Builder. Now go build your funnel. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.